Have you ever wondered what your mobile home looks like on the inside without the sheetrock, without the ceiling board, without the paneling? Stick around. I'm getting ready to show you. You might be surprised. And if you're new to the channel, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button so you're notified next time I put out a video. It might be something like this. If you were to rip all the sheetrock out of your single wide mobile home, this is what you would find. Plastic. Plastic. Wires. Outlets. This is what it would look like. Showing my subscribers what it looks like if they tore everything out of their place. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. YouTube, baby. YouTube. Yeah. Yes, I do both. I like how they. I like this. You guys are putting this in first. That wasn't there, right?
No, we spray foamed first. Yeah, we spray foamed it with
nice.
With the crack stuff.
Oh yeah, all the seams, all the cracks. Nice.
You see daylight through it everywhere.
We put everywhere.
Insulation in the floors
really?
As well, all the way down.
New insulation all the way down.
Yep.
You know they sell these vent things on Amazon. The vent.
Yeah, they're still
the drop-ins.
These are old school. They're attached still to the trunk line.
Yes.
So we just left that
they sell these brand new if you needed to get them.
Right. They're attached to the trunk line.
Yeah, they just fold underneath.
Down there, it's crimp. Yeah, we're gonna let the AC
it's just a crimp. Oh yeah, okay. So the AC people are gonna do it. I got you.
Right.
Yeah, I like how you.
Enough to do that.
I like how you spray foamed everything up, sealed everything off. You could see light through these places.
Oh, good, yeah. Everywhere.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Every crack, bottoms, especially the bottoms.
Yes.
You can see light.
Oh my word, yes.
I used to see the ground. Yeah, it's bad.
Wow. So they're inserting this styrofoam right here. This is what they're using, and they're filling in all the cavities with that, and then you're gonna R11 or something insulation in there, and then sheetrock or what you guys gonna? Is it gonna be paneling or sheetrock? Sheetrock. Probably. Is it gonna be half inch? Wow. Yeah. You can see how they insulate these things. The insulation runs over the top of the rafters, and then the metal is put on top of that, and that's how they insulate mobile homes. And they put up this piece of plastic, and then they put up their ceiling board. So just about every mobile home has this plastic underneath here. So if you have a leak out here in the middle, people are like, they see water coming down their wall over here. They don't realize that the water is actually probably coming from here and then going over to the side. I just wanted to give everybody the opportunity to see what your mobile home might look like if it's stripped. Oh, strapping blocks. Must have been a break in the paneling here, right? Something? What was going on? I wonder why they put that there. Don't remember what it was. Probably a break in the paneling. Yeah, probably. So paneling went across there, another piece on top of it.
It was just a strip up there, and the paneling was only whatever that is.
Right. Yep. Damn. Different. Little stove vent. You guys changing all the windows, I guess?
Yes, sir.
Order new windows.
I'm gonna give him the power, and we're gonna go to the house and help my dad with his roof.
Nice. You know, are they replacing this?
Drew's here. I'm gonna give him the power.
You gonna leave it?
They got to do.
Wow.
I'm gonna try talking at least.
They have it here, yeah.
At least change the valve out. I mean,
Oh my word,
it's
yes.
not top of this right here.
Let me know.
I mean,
No sense, does it?
there's no overflow.
Yeah, and that's not gonna. She's gonna have problems with that.
Let's go ahead and get her out.
No, she's gonna have problems. Yeah. You should tell Ricky to tell her to at least take it out and put it back.
We need to know before we stand the rest of these walls.
I know. Seems like just a few screws and this thing might come apart.
Yeah.
I've really never seen one with a lid on it like that.
Top. Is there either one piece or is it
I've never seen.
There's a modular.
I've never seen. A lot of wiring, boy. Whew, everywhere.
He's gonna get enough money. Gotta get the money.
Oh, that's what he's gonna be?
Yeah, that's fine. That's whatever.
See, that's the metal roof right there. So when you're working on a rubber roof like I do on my videos, the reason why we always cut holes in the top is because we're looking for stuff like this. Like, where are the wires running on the house? Do you know what's going on over here? This pipe that came out?
Yeah, it's gonna be cut. It's gonna be capped. Yeah.
There's not going to be anything coming through the roof.
It's gonna have a student van on it.
So good. Okay, good. So I don't have to, I'm going to eliminate that
If you
then.
eliminate that one,
Which other one? Because there was 4 of them up here.
well,
There's one for the tub.
this one's gonna be here.
That one's going to be there. It's going to leave it. We're getting rid of it.
Wait, let's see. I gotta. Yeah, I can. But I try to remember how this bathroom group is vented.
Because there's
It's gonna
4
come off the washer.
pipes. There's 4 pipe vents on the roof that I need to
Yeah.
decide whether we're going to put them back or
Yeah,
we're
well, I'm
getting
gonna
rid of
vent
them.
everything off of the washer.
Okay.
The washer line.
Okay.
So this one I'm gonna do away with.
Yes. Okay,
And
that was
this one
going.
is gonna do away with too.
So that one's gone and this one's gone.
Yep.
Where's the washer going to be?
Right. Back where you're saying.
And so where's the, oh, so that's going to be the vent for that. So this
Yeah.
needs to be here.
Well, it might be moved. You can go cover them up, and I'll just
Cover
redo
them
it.
for now.
Yep. Yeah, I'll just redo them.
And then, yeah, okay.
Yep.
Okay.
We're gonna pop a new one.
Put a mushroom cap
And
on the
worst
top.
case scenario,
This
might-
line on the
might
floor,
call
this
you
is the
back.
back washer wall right here where my foot's
that the-
standing.
Yes.
So the washer's probably gonna be like right here.
Okay.
They're gonna put a stack there, and then they're gonna put a water heater, and what else was it?
The AC return.
The AC.
AC return in the floor.
Yeah, like
Wow.
right
Under the water heater.
Wow. What a job that's going to
Been
be.
here since what? 70s?
Yeah, these trusses are definitely different than what I'm used to seeing. They're a lot stronger than I've used
One bad.
to see. I mean, they got 2x4. Usually, what I've been seeing is paneling on the outside here, and it just falls apart. And my word.
They're not even doing nothing.
Oh, there you go. Oh. So how are you going to strengthen that up? You need to go all the way across to tie it into here. Because that needs to be tightened up.
Yeah, probably gonna put something across there. And
Yeah.
This here's the original furnace or a fireplace or something.
Yep.
So
Furnace
yeah, it
is
was a
here.
fireplace. And
Wow.
then down. You see where it went
Yes.
through the
Oh,
roof?
yeah.
Whoever put that back, just like, oh man,
Oh,
I inched myself.
man.
You
Oh,
know what
my
I mean?
word. Look at that.
Stuck that in there.
They just
Look
inched
at that.
themselves.
My
Sitting there
word.
with it.
What an idiot.
You
Yeah, that needs to be strengthened up for sure.
Yeah, we're gonna throw a block in there.
Oh,
Inch
yeah.
and a half block,
That made that
and
weak.
Zip them together.
Yes. Right. So there you go. That's a good look at your mobile home if you was to strip it down. You'll find a lot of air leaks and other problems that you would never believed that you had. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and smash the subscribe button because there's more videos to come of this exact house. We're starting the roof next, and there's some issues up there that we're gonna straighten out, and you're not gonna wanna miss it. So subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.